Our future track forecast is going to show that as well. You can see those darker blues move into the area here over the next couple of hours. Here's a look by around 8 o'clock tonight. Still looking at the consistent snow across the state of Wisconsin. 10 o'clock tonight, we're seeing that snow start to lessen up a little bit. And then by midnight, we'll still have a few scattered snow showers, a few flurries, but most of the consistent snowfall should start to taper off. That is for most of us, except for this line developing here across the southern part of the state. And that'll stick with us all the way through Saturday morning. So take a look here. This is 6 a.m. Saturday. We are looking at a line of snow possible in the central southern part of the state, and that'll continue till about midday before clearing off. Still a few flakes and flurries possible for our Saturday afternoon. Let's move from Saturday into Sunday. Sunday morning, or at least late Saturday night into Sunday morning, could yet again have a chance of a couple of isolated flakes and flurries moving in mainly from the east, and that could once again bring us another dusting or so across the state. So here's a look at our snow potential for this evening into Saturday morning. We're looking about 3 to 5 inches across central Wisconsin, a little bit more further south, and 1 to 3 inches up further northwest. As we move into Saturday and Sunday, we'll have that extra chance of maybe a dusting to an inch for most of us. If you're down to the south or east, you might pick up an extra inch or two, but looks like it'll be on the lower end of that. Let's reset that graphic. Take a look at those numbers. 18 degrees here in the Wausau area. That is definitely cooler than the average 27. Low temperature well below average at negative 13. Typically, we'd be around 9 degrees. So our cold pattern continues. Thankfully, it's warmer as we track into the weekend. Our overnight forecast tonight is 17. That's a noticeable improvement. Southeast winds of 5 to 10, shifting northeasterly. Daytime high tomorrow, 27. That's right around average for this time of year. Nice change of pace. South-southeast winds 10 to 15. Unfortunately, doesn't stick that warm for very long. We're down to 14 on Sunday, breezy with a 40% chance of snow. Pretty cold start to next week. Our coldest on Monday with a high of just 3 degrees, and you can see some pretty cold overnight lows well below zero.